Today, we're traveling back in time to explore how cavemen managed their hair. Imagine living thousands of years ago without modern tools or products. How did they do it? Let's find out. Cavemen, or early humans, lived in diverse environments, and their hair care routines varied. However, we can piece together some common practices based on archaeological findings and studies of contemporary hunter-gatherer societies. First, let's talk about haircuts. Cavemen didn't have scissors, but they still found ways to trim their hair. They likely used sharp stones, shells, or flint to cut or shave their hair. This was not just for style, but for practicality, to keep hair out of their eyes and reduce the risk of lice. Imagine using a stone to trim your hair. It was a careful and likely painful process, but it got the job done. What about washing their hair? Without shampoos, cavemen turned to natural resources. They used water from rivers and streams to rinse their hair. To remove dirt and oils, they might have used sand, ash, or plant saps as natural cleansers. Speaking of plants, many plants have natural antiseptic and cleansing properties. Cavemen might have discovered these benefits through trial and error, using various herbs and leaves to keep their hair and scalp healthy. To detangle their hair, cavemen probably used their fingers or simple combs made from bones, wood, or thorns. These natural combs help to remove knots and keep their hair manageable. Now let's talk about hairstyles. While we don't have direct evidence of specific styles, we can infer that cavemen might have braided or tied their hair using plant fibers or animal sinews. This not only kept their hair out of the way, but also could have been a form of expression or even social status. Hair care was likely a communal activity. Just as we see in many traditional societies today, grooming each other could strengthen social bonds and ensure everyone stayed clean and healthy. While we have come a long way since the days of using stones and plants, the basics of hair care remain the same: cutting, cleaning, detangling, and styling. It's fascinating to see how early humans adapted to their environment with the resources available. Today, we have advanced tools and products, but it's always interesting to look back and appreciate the ingenuity of our ancestors. Thanks for joining us on this journey through ancient hair care. Stay tuned for more episodes on how early humans lived and thrived. Don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating insights into ancient lifestyles. Until next time.